All right, so finally not being lazy on getting my 3D printer together. One of the things I wanted to do before I started getting into it was obviously do the recommended upgrades. And so that's these springs. I changed the hot end tip. I changed this to a Capricorn tube. And the plastic extruder, I changed it into this aluminum one. And so I think that's it, besides getting a fan, a quieter fan for these, which I think I'll probably order soon. But yeah, I gotta take care of a few more things, and then I'm gonna start messing around with just kind of printing stuff, I guess, messing around with the stuff. So yeah, kind of happy about it. Definitely need to learn and understand it a little bit better. But yeah, I also want to see if there's any like other upgrades that I need to do, just to make it better. But then I said start ordering all the filaments and stuff like that. Anyway, so that's my upgrade for tonight.